What's good, everyone? This is your boy Kyle, and in this particular tutorial, I want to do a simple strategy entitled Red Light, Green Light. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to do our support and our resistance lines. And basically, support and resistance is, I like to call it building a house. What you're doing, you're setting your parameters where you see where the price has actually hit multiple times. So as you can see right here, it hit one time. Two times. I'm going to bring this down just a little bit. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to set another line for our support. And as of right now, I'm going to move this up right here. As you can see, it hit once, then it came back, and then it broke through again. 3, 4, 5. So this is pretty good support and resistance line. All right. So the rules are build the house, so do your support and your resistance, and trend lines. If you see that your market is trending, so this one is kind of trending, but as of right now, it looks like it's more so just kind of going up and down between these particular prices right here. So the first thing you want to do is add one indicator, and the indicator is really just confirmations that you use to verify your hypothesis on where the market is going. So in this particular one, we are doing the relative strength index. We're going to modify just a little bit. So you go here to modify to the gear here. And we're going to change the input to 5. And we're going to do a few things to the style. So the upper band, I want you to mark red. And we're going to make it a line. And we're going to make it thick, a little thicker so you can see it. And then the lower band, you're actually going to mark green. We'll make it thicker. And we're going to make this a solid line. All right. So once again, the name of the game is red light, green light. So as you can see here, it got to the top of our roof or resistance. Like I said, it's like building a house. So support will be the floor, resistance will be the ceiling. And so what we're going to do is we're going to actually change our candles to Heikin shape. And so the thing that you want to look for is flat bottoms, okay? And so as you can see here, here's a flat bottom, and here's a flat bottom. Normally, I recommend taking the second flat bottom. So we will take this one, okay? And so Heikin candles, what they do is they measure momentum in the market. So when the momentum is high, you'll see flat bottoms. As you can see, the more flat bottoms you see, the lower the market seems to go, okay? And so what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in a little bit. And my goal is always to get 15 pips, right? 15 pips. Keep it real simple. And so as you can see, it was red, flat bottom on the second candle, which was right here, which we already marked it. We entered a short position, which that position was right here. And we wanted 15 pips. 15 pips is not a lot of pips, people. So 15 pips. And let's see, 15 pence for stop loss as well. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this particular marker here so you can actually see. And we dominated that particular trade. 15 pips in dip. You can do 15 pips a day with proper money management and compounding and be at a 6-figure salary in 10 months, people. So 15 pips, and it only took us 2 hours to get to 15 pips. And so once again, this is red light, green light. When it crosses below this red line right here, look for the sell with the indicating candle, which was a flat bottom. I'll go back to it real quick. So you look for the second red bottom or second flat bottom candle. And then for sales, it's the same thing. When you go up, when it crosses above the green, and you see the second Hakanashi candle with a flat bottom, you take that trade. And so, see Hakanashi to actually start right here. So if you wanted to get 15 pips, it would have taken you 2 hours. Yeah, just like that. Simple strategy, red light, green light, 15 pips a day, 10 months, proper risk management, compounding, or six-figure salary. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. I'll do more tutorials. If you like this one, let me know. If you don't, I understand that as well. Peace.